As the state's first dual-mission college, Colorado Mountain College has been a pioneer in providing affordable, high-quality education since 1965 by offering a mix of liberal arts and hands-on skills that produce real-time results and career opportunities in the outdoor recreation industry around the world. At CMC, our students don't just meet expectations, they exceed them. So whether you're new to the industry or looking to take your career to new heights, our 4-week Ropeway Maintenance Technician Certificate Program is your opportunity to learn from some of the world's best lift maintenance technicians who will give you the tools and training to put you on the fast track to becoming a certified lift mechanic at one of our world-class resort partners, where the only thing more important than installing, inspecting, and maintaining the lifts is the snow they provide access to. For more info on the Ropeway Maintenance Technician Certificate Program or to apply online, go to coloradomtn.edu and take the first step to elevate your future.